If you've ever been working in Krita and realized you need to clear an active selection, this quick tutorial is going to save you time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to deselect in Krita using the fastest keyboard shortcut, the menu method, and a few related selection tricks that every digital artist should know. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and workflow guides. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to deselect in Krita is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus A on your keyboard. This instantly clears any active selection on the canvas, so you can continue painting, editing, or moving around without being locked into a selected area. It's the quickest method, and honestly, it's the one you'll probably use the most once you get used to it. If you prefer using menus, Krita also gives you a simple manual option. At the top of the screen, click Select in the menu bar, then click Deselect from the drop-down list. That does the same thing as the shortcut and removes the current selection from your canvas. So whether you're a keyboard shortcut person or a menu user, both methods get the job done fast. Now, if you accidentally deselect something and immediately regret it, Krita has a helpful recovery option. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus D or go to Select and then Reselect, and Krita will bring your exact selection shape back. That is incredibly useful when you've cleared a selection by mistake and want to continue working without recreating it from scratch. Another powerful selection trick is Invert Selection. If you press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, Krita will select everything except the area you originally selected. This is great for editing the background while protecting your subject, or for making opposite area adjustments without starting over. And if your selection is still active but the marching ants are distracting, you can hide them without deselecting. Just press Ctrl plus H. This keeps the selection active but removes the moving dotted lines from view so you can paint more comfortably and focus on your artwork without visual clutter. This is especially useful when you want to keep working inside a selection but don't want the outline getting in the way of what you're doing. So let's quickly recap. To deselect in Krita instantly, press Ctrl plus Shift plus A. To do it from the menu, go to Select and choose Deselect. If you need to restore a selection, use Ctrl plus Shift plus D or Select and Reselect. To flip the selected area, use Ctrl plus Shift plus I. And to hide the marching ants without losing the selection, press Ctrl plus H. These are simple shortcuts, but they make a huge difference in your workflow once you memorize them. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast Krita tutorials, shortcut guides, and beginner-friendly digital art tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.